is Evangeline. That's Cora. Hi. Hi.
And today we have another Yum Box. And it is Brazil.
Yay.
Brazil. And there's a secret puzzle to like figure out like what's the next step. And yeah, okay. I'm picking first this time. And this is the Remember.
Christ the Redeemer.
Oh, yeah.
They have a big statue
Yeah.
in Brazil like that.
Okay, and at the end again we're gonna do I think it's called. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this one is called Gelatin. Huh?
Wait, let me
Gelatins. And it's like Festa flavor, I guess. It looks like chocolate covered in sprinkles. Oh, this is wicked.
I can't wait to see some.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, they're gummies.
Oh, they're
Are these attached? I think they're
That's so sugary.
Okay.
Yeah. That's sugary.
Okay, I need to
Give
get.
me one. Give me one.
Okay.
Looks like this. Give me one.
Okay.
Gummies.
Wait, where's my. Wait,
This.
sit down, Tower. Wait,
She's
I
just
don't
fine.
have one.
You gave Evangeline yours.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ew. Yum. This is hard to chew.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's like a gummy
And it's really good.
or
So?
sprinkles.
They're good.
Gelatines Festa.
Oh. Okay, no, tell us good again, right then. My turn. It's good.
Look. Wait. Okay. That was good.
That was good.
Sort of.
32 grams of sugar for 2 candies.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 servings per container. Oh, 8 pieces.
Amori.
Emory. Those wafers.
Fresh up.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, these are wafers.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a wafer.
Well, there's
That's definitely a wafer. Mine broke away.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is a thumbs up for sure. 3, 2, 1, eat.
Regular wafers.
They're technically wafers.
Yeah.
I think it's wafers vanilla flavor.
Yeah.
Like, oh,
Lime?
lime? Oh, they're lime flavor.
I thought
Yeah,
you said wine flavor. Wine flavor? No, it's lime flavor.
It has a little bit of
Yummy.
lime flavor.
Okay, my turn. Yummy crumbles.
Okay. What the?
Choose wisely.
Let's choose wisely.
Oh, yummy, 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 yummy.
Okay.
Okay. I know what it does. That is snack. Hey.
Show it on the video.
Hey.
Show it on the video.
Hey.
Snacks. Pimenta club.
It's not.
Jalapeno.
I can't do
This Portuguese.
Make sure it doesn't explode.
Elevator. Stuff right here. Whoa.
No, just leave it there before it explodes.
Leave it there. Okay. Can you pass it out?
So everyone gets a couple.
Yeah.
These look hot.
You're next.
Yep, so it's... Eat it, yeah.
One day.
Pretty good. This tastes like a snack.
Oh. They're sort of like hickory sticks, but like harder and have more taste.
We should have some, Mama. Okay.
You're good.
Very good.
Yeah. They're nice and spicy. Pick the back.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
That's
that's what I want to pick.
Okay.
Very
Ooh.
sugary.
Corey Pacodell.
Show the
So it
package.
looks like chocolate with something in it
Honey.
or something.
Not honey. I hope so.
Okay.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, let's do it together.
They're two together, guys. Here, break one in half.
I already broke it.
And then put it back in here.
Back in here so Mama and Papa can have one. Yummy.
Okay.
Pop in your chips. They're good.
They're good.
Mm-hmm.
I already said that.
What
What is this? Ooh. Oh, that was good.
Not that.
I want to choose this.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me have a second back. This is called Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. And
Delicious.
ooh, onion flavored, cheese flavored, crepe flavored, and a shish kebab flavored.
Let's see the name.
I'm pretty sure.
Flip it around.
So what flavor is it?
2, 1.
Look at it. Unusual. That's good. Kind of spicy, but I like
And then
it.
some mushroom peppers.
They're like
Yeah.
hollow.
That's like
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
Really quick.
that one.
They're hollow.
Oh yeah.
Spicy.
It's like a little square, but it's hollow and it has lots of spice.
I
Is it good
don't.
too? Mhm.
Yeah, that's
What's
good.
this?
It's not even
No.
spicy to me.
Yeah, I'm not mad at
Like
that.
one of those.
Yeah.
Pick some items.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Well, you can pick second.
No. Can I have some?
Take those.
Yes. They are good.
Look, maybe.
They are.
That's not welcome.
Oh no. We need some more of these.
Them?
More of these. They're so good. Spicy, but good.
Stop.
Okay. They are.
Yeah, these two.
Banana chocolate.
Mm.
Banana chocolate. I'll open my banana chocolate. Banana chocolate nipple.
Yeah. Deep fries. Okay.
Banana chocolate, I guess. Okay. Yay! This is so cool. Can you open mine?
That was like fudge.
Mama, can you open mine? Yes. Open
Oh,
mine.
that's interesting.
Ew. Wasn't it
Chocolate. Mmm.
It's kind of like fudge.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
good. It's like no.
Yeah. Still something like
Sugar covered marshmallows.
Ooh.
This good guy. Oh my.
No,
These are gummies.
Okay.
Okay, Evangeline, you can get the
Hold
pasta.
on.
Okay.
Let's give everyone two.
Yeah, 2 for everyone. Okay. 1
Oh.
and
Like yogurt.
2.
Yogurt
Here's
gummies.
a pink one. And 1
Yogurt
and
gummies.
2. 1 and 2. Oh, you can stack them.
Oh,
1
banana chocolate.
and 2.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. The pink one is really good. Ow!
The orange one
Ow!
tastes like fuzzy peaches. Mama, try the orange one. It tastes like fuzzy peaches.
Yellow one tastes like banana. Definitely banana.
The orange one tastes like fuzzy
Mm.
peaches.
The white one you did.
Mama, try the orange one.
There's only a white one. Just open up one and break it in pieces.
Ours is chocolate. Me and Kay's is chocolate.
Here, you can have the bigger piece.
Okay. Ooh, ours chocolate too.
Oh,
Coconut.
That's not bad.
Ours was at Brazil. I could buy a whole package of that. No
Whose
fair.
turn is it next?
Cora.
Kay's.
Wait, the
I think
Cora.
Cora chose-
Cora
Oh,
just
then it's my
picked.
turn. Now, what are these?
I want to pick that.
I'm gonna pick. Alright. We're Buster.
Squeal. The squeals.
The quill.
Squeal. They make
We're
us
on the
squeal.
front holding a juice.
It's okay, there's a ripple. There's
I
a
don't
ripple
care.
here. There's a look at that.
I can't open it.
You're getting that.
Alright, these look really weird.
Oh. I didn't think they would look like macaroni.
They right up macaroni.
I think they're
Alright.
chickadee chips.
Um,
They do what?
look, potato chips. They're like
Here.
in the
Right.
sphere. Half
They're not bad.
the hall.
Yeah. They're good.
Like the spicy ones.
They make good food. I definitely wish I was at Brazil. If you want a
Tastes
yum
like
like
cheese,
this, order one,
but with no flavor.
get one. In the mailbox. Ow. Comment down below.
Oh, these ones are my favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, little. Check it. Oh, check it. Okay. Alright, Kala. 2 choices.
Hey.
Okay.
Oh, I love these. Too plain.
I picked this. Coco Loco.
Okay,
Open it up. I am.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
10 minutes
cut it.
later. 1.
Why are you using the scissors?
Oh, that was decent. Oh, they're gummies? The gummies? Oh. I'm to pick up the Did you want I don't want to try this.
Okay.
No. It's really good. I don't want to try it.
Not that bad. They're pretty good.
Very good. Well, but it's so good. Oh, really?
Meh. Okay, eventually.
You have to
Take
pick
that.
the last. Let me see. Voo, zinga.
Okay.
Voo, zinga.
Here, eventually.
It
takes forever to open things.
Yeah.
Ugh. They're like dried mini cashews.
You have to try one.
I don't know about this, but this is I need to forget about that. I'm afraid to
What
try.
is this?
It's kind of like popcorn.
But like,
No. Can I have another?
yeah, it is. It's sweet popcorn.
It's popcorn.
It's sweet popcorn.
Yeah.
It's called sweet popcorn.
I won't forget about
Oh, the
this.
old grandma is giving the little boy the popcorn.
Oh, I see it.
Okay. Get off the table. Okay. Is Brazil named after a fish, a prince, a star, or a tree?
A prince. Prince.
A star. Star.
Tree.
Yep, it's a tree.
What? Yes.
Brazil means
Coral.
red like ember.
I changed my mind.
Okay, number 2. Brazilian prisoners can reduce their sentences by weaving baskets, reading books, attending church, or exercising.
Exercising. Writing. Exercising.
Reading books.
Oh, I was going to guess that.
The more books they read, the faster they get out of jail.
Oh, I read books all the time.
Can I go to Brazil
What?
and do something
What?
wrong?
Which of the following is mandatory in Brazil? Mandatory means you have to. So A, voting, military, recycling, or owning a TV.
Owning a TV.
Owning a TV.
Wait, what was it?
Which of these things do you have to do in Brazil? Like you have to or else. Vote, be in the military, recycle, or have a TV.
Vote.
Vote.
I did it first. I voted.
Okay, number 4. The capital of Brazil. So the capital is the main city. The capital of Brazil is shaped like a snake, an airplane, a star, or a coffee
Star.
bean.
Star.
Coffee
bean. Wait, what was it again?
The main city in Brazil is shaped like a snake, an airplane, a star, or a coffee bean.
Star. Wait, no.
Airplane.
What?
Okay. Fishermen in the Brazilian city of Laguna. Okay. Fishermen in Brazil use what to help them fish? Either trained geese, bows and arrows, dolphins, or drums.
Bow and arrows.
Drums.
Bow and arrows.
Drums.
Dolphins.
What?
Yep. In Laguna, listen. In Laguna, a well-known pod of friendly dolphins actively herd fish towards the local fishermen. They even use tail slaps and head nods to signal for the fishermen to throw their nets.
Cool.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
So there's Brazil.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and share and some comments down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Hey.